Welcome to Bioverse. Today we will be discussing previous year questions along with their answers and clear explanations. Let's begin and understand each concept in the simplest way possible.
Which one of the following statements is not true regarding the gel electrophoresis technique? 1. The presence of chromogenic substrate gives blue-colored DNA bands on the gel. 2. Bright orange-colored bands of DNA can be observed in the gel when exposed to UV light. 3. The process of extraction of separated DNA strands from gel is called elution. 4. The separated DNA fragments are stained by using ethidium bromide. Answer 1. Explanation. The use of chromogenic substrate is employed during genetic engineering, not during gel electrophoresis. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Mendel studied 7 pairs of contrasting traits in pea plants and proposed the laws of inheritance. Statement 2. 7 characters examined by Mendel in his experiment on pea plants were seed shape and color, flower color, pod shape and color, flower position and stem height. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. 2. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. 3. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. 4. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Answer is 3. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Explanation. Mendel studied 7 pairs of contrasting traits in pea plants and proposed the laws of inheritance. The 7 traits were seed shape round or wrinkled, seed color yellow or green, flower color violet or white, pod shape inflated or constricted, pod color green or yellow, flower position axial or terminal, stem height tall or dwarf.
XO type of sex determination can be found in A. Grasshoppers, B. Monkeys, C. Drosophila, or D. Birds. The answer is A. Grasshoppers. Exotype of sex determination occurs in grasshoppers, where males have one X chromosome, XO, and females have two, XX. The appearance of recombination nodules on homologous chromosomes during meiosis characterizes 1. Sites at which crossing over occurs, 2. Terminalization, 3. Synaptonemal complex, 4. Bivalent. Answer 1. Sites at which crossing over occurs. Recombination nodules are structures that mark the sites of crossing over between non-sister chromatids during prophase 1 of meiosis.
Which of the following is incorrectly matched? 1. Porphyra, Floridian starch. 2. Volvox, starch. 3. Ectocarpus, fucoxanthin. 4. Ulothrix, mannitol. Answer 4. Ulothrix mannitol. The reserve food material found in Ulothrix, a green alga, is starch, not mannitol.
Which of the following is not a method of ex situ conservation? Micropropagation, cryopreservation, in vitro fertilization, national parks. Correct answer, national parks. National parks represent in situ conservation, where organisms are conserved in their natural habitats. The other 3 methods occur outside the natural habitat, so they are ex situ methods.
Identify the incorrect statement related to pollination. Flowers produce foul odors to attract flies and beetles to get pollinated. Moths and butterflies are the most dominant pollinating agents among insects. Pollination by water is quite rare in flowering plants. Pollination by wind is more common among abiotic pollination. Correct answer 2. Explanation. The statement is incorrect because bees are the most dominant pollinating agents, accounting for around 80% of insect pollination. Moths and butterflies contribute, but not as much as bees. Choose the correct option. Statement 1. The primary CO2 acceptor in C4 plants is PEP and is found in the mesophyll cells. Statement 2. Mesophyll cells of C4 plants lack Rubisco enzyme. Option 1. Statement 1 is correct but Statement 2 is incorrect. Option 2. Statement 1 is incorrect but Statement 2 is correct. Option 3. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are correct. Option 4. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are incorrect. The correct answer is Option 3. Explanation. In C4 plants, the primary CO2 acceptor is PEP, located in the mesophyll cells. Rubisco is absent in mesophyll cells and present in the bundle sheath cells where it fixes CO2 via the C3 cycle. In old trees, the greater part of secondary xylem is dark brown and insect-resistant due to options: A. Secretion of secondary metabolites deposited in lumen of vessels, B. Deposition of tannins and resins in central layers of stem, C. Deposition of suberin and aromatic substances in outer layer, D. Deposition of tannins, gum, resin, and aromatic substances in peripheral layers, E. Presence of parenchyma cells, active xylem, and essential oils. Choose the correct answer. 1. D and D only, 2. B and D only, 3. A and B only, 4. C and D only. Correct answer is 3. Explanation. Old trees develop dark brown insect-resistant secondary xylem because of secretion of secondary metabolites deposited inside vessel lumen. A. Deposition of tannins and resins in central xylem layers. B.
Which organism produces nitrogen-fixing nodules on roots of Alnus? Rhodosperillum, Bedurinca, Rhizobium, Frankia. The correct answer is 4. Frankia, a gram-positive filamentous actinomycete, forms nitrogen-fixing root nodules on Alnus and other actinorhizal plants.
Choose the correct option. Statement 1. Decomposition is a process in which detritus is degraded into simpler substances by microbes. Statement 2. Decomposition is faster if the detritus is rich in lignin and chitin. Options. Statement 1 is correct, but Statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 1 is incorrect, but Statement 2 is correct. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are correct. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are incorrect. Correct answer. Option 1. Explanation. Decomposition converts complex organic matter to simple inorganic matter. Lignin and chitin slow down decomposition, not speed it up. Nitrogen-rich detritus decomposes faster. Causes of habitat loss, fragmentation, overexploitation, alien species invasion, and co-extinction are biodiversity loss, natality, population explosion, competition. The correct answer is option 1. These 4 causes are called the evil quartet of biodiversity loss.
Hydrocolloid carrageen is obtained from Rhodophyceae only, Phyophyceae only, Chlorophyceae and Phyophyceae, Phyophyceae and Rhodophyceae. Correct answer 1. Explanation. Carrageen is a hydrocolloid extracted from red algae or Rhodophyceae. Girdling experiment helps identify tissue responsible for water and food transport, osmosis, water transport, food transport. Correct answer is 4. Explanation. Removing a girdle, ring of bark, cuts the phloem, which lies outside xylem. Transport of foodstuffs above the girdle shows phloem transports food. Zygomorphic flowers occur in A. Mustard, B. Gulmohar, C. Cassia, D. Datura, E. Chili. Options: D and E only, C and D and E only, A, B and C only, B and C only. Correct answer: 4. B and C only. Explanation.
Zygomorphic flowers, gulmohar and cassia. Actinomorphic flowers, mustard, datura and chili.
Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bioverse for more NEET biology learning. See you in the next video.